You know me, right? Hold on. There. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna skateboard. Just get on my skateboard. Fireplace. I'm gonna skateboard the wrong way though. Okay.
What are you doing in my living room?
Making a new web video.
I told you I'd be glad to move my car.
So,
And if you want to make a web video of with your computer, you can actually set it up on the workbench with a plug and skate into the workbench. Hello, I'm here. No. You hurt yourself, I'm gonna hurt you back.
So what do you recommend? What kind of car do you have? You're an actor. From Ohio?
Hey, are we on video? Are we on noise?
yeah.
Oh no, I don't want my voice on your video.
That's too bad. I'm already making my web video.
No.
Yes.
No.
Then stop now.